Shelter my heart with fetters of your refuge. Use me as your vessel. Come and tame this heart. Use me as your vessel. Come and tame this heart. My soul yearns for you like a dry and thirsty land, but you